Hey everyone, Jacob Howard here, and once again, as much as I hate to say this, it's possible that at some point you may lose all control of your drone. This may happen if you fly it too far away from yourself or if there's an equipment failure. In these instances, it's important to make sure you have the proper fail-safe setup on your drone. Drop. In most circumstances, the proper thing to do when your drone loses control is to have it disarm and fall to the ground. This is the best way to help reduce the risk of damage to people or property. If a drone loses signal and continues to fly, it could crash and cause harm to itself or others. There is an area in Betaflight where you can set the failsafe. Make sure that the drop setting is active. This means that the drone will completely disarm and will stop the props from spinning. Land. Even though the land failsafe sounds like a good idea, it isn't. Land failsafe will attempt to land your drone. However, this causes issues because the drone is blindly trying to land itself with the props still spinning. So if it hits anything on the way down, it could cause damage to the drone and whatever you hit. It also has a higher chance of flying away. For example, if it tries to land but you have a wind pushing it to the left, it will drift to the left as it lands, making it harder to recover it since it won't be near the last known location. With further development, this failsafe may be a good option, but for now we do not recommend it. GPS return to home. If you have a GPS receiver installed and set up on your drone, then you will have the option to use a return to home or GPS rescue mode. If you lose the controller signal, it will automatically activate GPS return to home and your drone to turn around and start flying back to its starting position. It will not land the drone for you, but bring it back and hover around where it started. If you do not regain control, the drone will hover until the battery dies. If you have GPS on your drone, then you can go into Betaflight and select GPS return to home and change the various settings to fit your needs. We will be going in depth into setting up GPS and return to home settings in future videos. Losing complete control of your drone is a scary experience, and one that can likely happen. This is why it is best to follow the above safety precautions as well as ones we have recommended in other videos. If you guys have any questions though, definitely let us know, and have fun flying.